Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make ginger garlic paste which will stay fresh in the refrigerator for 1 month. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen. Press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. We have taken 200 grams garlic or lasoon and 140 grams ginger or adrak. We have taken mature ginger, washed it, peeled off the skin, chopped it roughly, and allowed the ginger pieces to dry on a kitchen towel, paper napkin, paper towel. And also, we have taken ripe garlic, peeled off the skin, and chopped them roughly. We like to take a little more garlic than ginger. So it comes to 1 cup peeled garlic or lasoon and nearly 3/4 cup ginger or adrak. We also need some salt for this. We have taken 2 tablespoons rock salt. You can take any salt and any proportion that you like. We have to roast it until the salt crackles. If you do not roast it, then the ginger garlic paste, even in the refrigerator, will get spoiled after 2-3 days. This is because the salt will ooze out water. When it is roasted and cooled and added, it will not ooze out any moisture. Traditionally, we add salt like this after roasting when we make dry red chili powder or any other dry masalas. So now let us transfer the ginger and garlic to a mixer jar and add the salt. As I said before, we have roasted the salt and cooled it down thoroughly and then added it. We are not going to add any water. We need to also pulse it. Instead of water, we are going to add 1 tablespoon oil. If you add water, the ginger garlic paste will get spoiled within 2 or 3 days, even in the refrigerator. Oil prevents the sulfur compounds in the garlic from reacting with other amino acids and giving the greenish tinge. And oil also helps to grind to a very smooth paste. We have used sesame seed oil. You can use any oil. Now our ginger garlic paste is ready and you can see how smooth our paste is. As I said, it stays good in the refrigerator for 1 month. So do try this out. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another video. Bye.